Chronemics is the study of the concepts and processes of human temporality or connection with time, as they are bound to human communication interactions. We have to know what the temporality concept is, because it tells us that it's a straightly progression line related to our future, our past, and our present, where chronemics concerns about objective time, which is the one related to our daily basis activities, our habits, our routines, especially considering we are objective human beings already following routines, we are already used to them. Chronemics also concerns about subjective time or personal temporalities, where both of them, subjective and objective, take part in our daily basis activities, as I said before. And we have the objective time, which is the one linking our behaviors to all those devices that are able to measure time, like watches, calendars, clocks. That's why the scientific and technological time are making use of them, because they are really useful in those fields, especially when they are developing something like testing, proving, developing, manufacturing. So they need those devices in order to keep track of those, if we could say, tries from the different prototypes. The subjective or personal time, which is the one that brings out all our internal feelings, those things that trigger and evoke our emotions, the ones that are within us. That's why we have the genetic and biological time, where the genetic time is the one that all of us have inherited from our ancestors, our parents. That means it is different in every person, not the same. That's why the biological time also tells us about what is the perception for an old man and a young guy, where for the old man time goes faster and for the kid time goes slow, really slow, but there is something related to the brain and the cortex. The oxygen is much more rich in the young than in the older man. And the perceptual time is the one we have been studying already in semiotics. We interpreted signs we have seen on the street, we have seen on television. Sometimes we are even given them our own meaning. The psychological time is the one that makes use of both subjective and objective, and also the socio-cultural time, where we can tell about the time and how we interact with the groups, what is our behaviors towards that, what is the way we are socializing, how is that time, and thanks, that's all.